Hello everyone, get ready for the highly anticipated iPhone 17 series featuring the Standard, Pro, Pro Max, and the all-new iPhone 17 Air. This lineup promises slimmer designs, AI-powered features, and upgraded cameras. We'll cover the release date, price, and exciting leaks. It's setting a new benchmark in smartphones. Apple officially announced the iPhone 17 release date on September 9, 2025. Pre-orders begin September 12, 2025, and the devices will be available worldwide starting September 19, 2025. iPhone 17 price start at $799 for the standard model, while the Air, Pro, and Pro Max start at $999, $199, and $1,919 respectively. Storage options now start at 256 GB across all models. Leaked reports and rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 series will feature a slimmer, lighter body design, the powerful A19 Bionic chip, AI-driven iOS upgrades, a new camera system with periscope zoom and enhanced night mode, longer battery life, and improved satellite connectivity. The iPhone 17 standard comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display and dual cameras. It's perfect for users who want premium performance at a more affordable price. iPhone 17 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro has a 6.3-inch ProMotion display, a triple camera system, 8K video recording, and a periscope zoom lens. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone 17 updates. Click the link in the description for full details and pre-order information.